When we think of produce that's grown in Texas, we often think of big sweet onions or giant red grapefruit. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more that grows in Texas, and today we're making a fill-you-up side dish that's made with two Texas crops, broccoli and rice. Not only is it easy, but it's darn good. The first thing we do is saute some celery and onions in a bit of butter until tender. While that finishes up, we combine some frozen chopped broccoli that we've thawed, along with a can of cream of mushroom soup, some chicken broth, a bit of cheddar cheese, and a good amount of cooked rice. Now we add our veggies and give it a stir. Once it's well combined, we spoon it into a casserole dish. If you'd like to use fresh broccoli and chop it and blanch it yourself, instead of using frozen, go ahead. Once this gets baked and all the flavors come together, it's ready to serve. It's perfect with anything from Texas brisket to your favorite chicken dinner. To get the recipe for our Texas broccoli and rice casserole, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a big Texas way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.